السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. My name is Faris Muhammad Al-Bugami and my university number is 2036098. Today my colleagues and I will give our presentation and talk about Walmart information system to be more clear about radio frequency identification. First of all, what is Walmart and what are the problems they face? Walmart is an American retail company headquartered in Pontifolio. The company was officially established on October 31, 1969. From the problems they face, the one problem, the company is not aware of some of the inventory it owns. The second problem, the company took longer time to manage its products. In the next slide, how Walmart solve its problems. Walmart solves its problem through a system called the radio frequency identification system. The first problem was solved by this system, which is radio frequency identification system that enabled the company to monitor products in real time. As for the second problem, its solution was that the system facilitated the process of scanning and transferring products more quickly than before. Now I will leave you and my friends will complete the presentation. Thank you.
Hello, sir. My name is Badr Saleh Halid. My ID is 2035383. I will continue what my friend Faris finished. First of all, what is the radio frequency identification system? It's a system that transmits radio signals over a short distance, and those signals are received in the readers, and then the data is passed to computers for processing. The stuff or the component needed for the RFID system to work. RFID reader and RFID tags and ERP server. Those that are the required to operate the system. Let's talk about the reader. First of all, you have, for example, a bunch of goods, and each goods has a tags. With this reader, with this tags, the reader will read the product and will deliver the data through the ERP server. So let's go to the next slide. How does the system work? Here's an example of a picture using RFID. First of all, the reader is pointed at the direction of the product. So, not like the other traditional system, like a recording system, each single note. With this system, you scan of the product, all of the bunch of this product will be in one data. After that, the information is recorded in the server, and finally this server will store this in database. And thank you for listening to me, and have a good day. And my friend Abdul Malik will continue.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, Doctor? My name is Abdul Malik Mullah. My student number is 203873. Today I'll be talking about the 3 benefits of RFID. RFID, of course, stands for Radio Frequency Identification System. The first benefit is that it tracks assets effectively. What they mean by that is that you can track your assets once it enters inside the building and outside the building. I'll give an example of a warehouse. Once the packages passes through an RFID reader like this one in the warehouse, the system would know that the package is inside the building. And once it passes through another RFID reader, the system would know that the package is outside the building. The second one, reduce time holding onto stock. As you can see in this image, the RFID reader can simultaneously scan all these packages in one go. Unlike its previous ancestor, the barcode system, it had to scan the packages one at a time. So it became more time efficient. And then monitoring supply chain. As you can see in this image, you can monitor all of your supplies. You can know whether it has done a complete journey or it's still in progress, or if there's something wrong in the package or package delivery. Yalla, bismillah. The next slide. How RFID works in warehouses. The first step, company takes the package. As you can see in this image, the truck took the packages. After that, the packages passes through an RFID. As you can see here, it passed through an RFID, notifying the database that the packages are inside the warehouse. We don't know how long the packages will stay here, only the employees and of course these robot things know. In the final step, the packages need to go outside again, so they can be sold as products. As you can see, the packages would pass through another RFID scanner to notify the database that the packages are no longer in the warehouse and are now outside. In conclusion, radio frequency identification system is one of the most important systems because it can identify and track products much faster than any other system out there. It can increase companies' control and effectiveness over inventory control, and it can increase companies' control and effectiveness over supply chain management. Wassalamu alaikum. This has been our project.